Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and I want to show you how to add remove magnification on this device. Firstly, swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings option. In it, we look for our usability selection right there. And now we look for magnification vision, and there we have our magnification option right there. We tap on it, and there by the switch we can turn on it. We can choose our start this function selection, maybe tap accessibility button, and there we have our accessibility button, which position we can easily change by tap and swipe on the screen. We can zoom our screen by tap there, and we have our magnification. To change position of that, we need to use two fingers and we can scroll on the screen and zoom. To turn off it, we press again on our shortcut, magnification. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.